Potato and chicken bake is a very delicious recipe, and this recipe is an all-time favorite in my house. It's easy to make and it saves you time and you love it. It's so tasty, so delicious. I am Seddy and welcome to my channel. Let me show you guys how I make this recipe. You are going to be needing potatoes, your veggies chopped, chicken wings, your different seasonings, ginger and garlic that has already been chopped too, and I have 2 plates of seasoning because I'll be seasoning my chicken separately from the main dish. And I also have my herbs, fresh herbs, that's spring onions, parsley and basils. I already chopped that. And this is the seasoning I'll be using for the main dish. That's why I have bay leaves in it, and the other doesn't because I'll be using it for chicken. These are my chicken wings, and on the tray I have bell pepper, green beans, carrot, peas, tomatoes and onion. All this has already been prepped because we'll be mixing everything in the baking dish. I'm going to start by pouring in my chicken wings. I'm wearing gloves because I don't like the seasoning getting into my nails, and I like to massage my seasoning into the chicken wings because chicken wings are just so tasty and there's no way they have to be boring. And so I love massaging my seasoning into my chicken wings. There I have some powdered stock, I have a little bit of salt, I have black pepper, white pepper, I have thyme. You can season it to your preference. You must not use what I'm using. Season it to your preference and it's ready. I'm going to keep this aside to marinate. While it is marinating, I'm going to go in to mix our dish. Like I said, this recipe is very easy. You don't need to stress yourself. I have my potatoes. I have already peeled and chopped. And make sure your potatoes have almost the same size so you don't have some cooked and some not cooked because you're going to be baking it. Now I'm going to pour in my veggies. You don't need to be orderly, you don't need to, just mix everything. And now I'm going in with my seasoning. I'm going in with the ginger and the garlic, and now I'm going to just drizzle some healthy oil. Take the oil of your choice, and also for these veggies, choose what you want. If you don't eat anything, you must not use it because I used it, so it's your choice. I'm going to put in my spring onions, and for the other herbs I'm going to sprinkle them when the dish is ready to keep that flavor and that beautiful color. I'll go in and just mix. That's all you need to do. Mix properly, no water. The vegetables, when you bake them, they'll have their own sauce. Now I'm going to just pour it into my baking dish. I don't need to oil my baking dish. Remember that it's not going to stick. I'm going to pour it in and I'm just going to level that to make sure I have potatoes at the bottom and everything is balanced. This is dinner already served. I'm not going to need to be leaving this. I'll just put it on the table with the dish and everybody will eat dinner and I'll be good to go. So now I'm going to put in my chicken wings. I just want to evenly spread them. Like I said, this is not one of those dishes that you have to start dishing out into a serving bowl. So I really want it to be pleasing to my eyes and to the eyes of those eating it. So I'll evenly spread out my chicken, and I want the chicken to be on top because I want it to be baked and it should have that crunchy taste. So I don't want it under because the vegetables are going to release fluids and it will make my chicken soft, but I want my chicken crunchy. Now 30 minutes after, I just took it out of the oven and look at that. I'm sprinkling my vegetables with fresh herbs. I'm just using parsley and basils, and that is it. So easy, so delicious. Look at how crunchy my chicken turned out. This is a very easy recipe, and on those days where you're so lazy to cook or you don't have time, mix this up, pop it into your oven, sit back, watch TV, and 30 minutes after, you're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all. Bye.